Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the deep cleaning of our LG washing machine, and it's super important to do that time from time just because not only like the outer glass that gets dirty, which would be fine, we can also see that some more stuff inside is very nasty. And probably the most nasty part is like the glass on the inside, and it's not so easy to clean that. And especially here, the rubber, where you can spot a lot of the grease and sometimes even mold. Looks like I do have it actually here myself. There are also some other things that we were gonna clean. We're gonna clean all this compartment. I'm gonna show you how to clean the filter and all of that stuff. But just to get started, I always use the cleaning tabs first. I have a Calgon here. I'm gonna throw a couple of alternatives in the description and also the comment section of this video. That is definitely the first step that we need to do just to make sure that all of this grease gets loosened up, and then we can clear it very well. What it does is removes the lime scale, dirt, corrosion, and also odors. So if you have like a very nasty washing machine, this cycle with this will definitely help. So there we go. If we choose a cotton, then we can choose 95 Celsius degrees. And since the washing machine itself is gonna empty, we can for sure turn off the spin completely just to not circle it without any reason. And when that's done, just press start and wait for the cycle to finish, for it to loosen all the stuff, and then we're gonna continue with all the other cleaning.